Look at that tree over there. Wow. Look at this dead tree I found while out on one of my walks in the woods. The woodpeckers have been really busy. Try and get around to the other side. It goes all the way up to the very tippy top. And all the way around the tree. Almost all the way through. And on this side too, way up. A big wind will probably knock this tree down. There's not much left to it. Shavings on the ground. It's pretty deep too. I can stick my hand way into the cavity. Hole going through to the other side. That hole up there too is also pretty deep. I would love to get a photo of a woodpecker here, but they always fly away when I come around.